Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about text to columns feature in Excel. That is moving a text into another column depending on any of the delimiter. Here, you can see the delimiter part. That is nothing but a comma, right? Into different strings or else a symbol like @ a single space in between the names, hash is a symbol, right? So if you are finding any of such symbols or special characters or in the two text strings, and depending on that delimiter we are moving that text to another column. So with the help of using text to column operator, right? Here we have a data tab, and in this we have text to columns. So this text to column is a feature because of which we can separate the two text and move that text into a separate column, right? So first of all, you have to select this. Select the cells. Now here you can find in this two, you can find the comma, right? So for applying text to columns, first you have to select the data, right? Select the cells in which the data is present with this comma delimiter. Now you have to click on this text to columns, and here see it is showing you that characters such as comma or tabs separates each field, right? So next you can see here, right, this thing, it is showing us the preview, right? John comma Peterson, Tim comma Danver, right? So what we are doing here, you are saying it to move for next, right? Now here what it is saying, here you can see this part, it is asking you for which delimiter is present in your data. That is tab, semicolon, comma, space or other. Other is nothing but if there is some other particular symbol, right? Then we have to give it in this other part. You have to write it. Now here we have to remove this tab and we will go with this comma, right? So whenever I am selecting this comma, right, then you can see the data preview, it is moving that text from the comma, that is the name Peterson and Danver is moved to the next column, right? And when you click on finish, right, you can see that the text are separated and they are moved to the another column, right? Next here we will select, we will go with this, the other data, Amy @ Peterson, Saurav @ Ganguly, right? Now here text to columns, delimiter is there, next, and what is there here, there is no need of any comma, right? We are selecting this other part, and here in this box we are writing the @. So you can see here, it is in the data preview, it is showing you Amy @ Peterson, right? When you are giving this ampersand sign, then automatically the data is shifted to the next column, right? Here it's showing you that the data is separated, right? Now you can shift it. Next here, Amit Bhadana and Ranveer Singh. Here in these two names we have only the single space, right? So now again moving this text to column, right? Next, and here it doesn't need any other symbol, right? Directly we can use a space, right? Because space is given in between those two names. So we are selecting the space and then next moving that data into another column, right? Now the same way you can try with many of the different examples as you wish, right? And you can understand the concept. Here text to columns, delimiter, we are taking here other, right? Because of the hash symbol, right? So this was Nothing but a particular feature of Excel where we can move the text to columns, right? Depending on the delimiter. So for that, first you have to select the data and then you have to apply text to column on that. Right, hope you understood the concept of text to column feature. So, thank you for watching and please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.